Hi, this is Mark Rossi again. This is the 5th video in a series of videos. Let's take a look at the guitar fretboard again. Here I'm going to play a C 7th chord, or C dominant 7th, as it relates to the harmonics of the harmonic series. Again, we have the power chord, famous in rock and roll, that acts as magnetic poles. The difference here between the major scale in the Myxolydian exists between the 5th and the octave of the power chord. The major scale encloses 6th and 7th degrees of the scale between the 5th and the octave. The Myxolydian encloses the 6th and flat 7, which is 1 half step lower than the 7th degree of the scale, or 1 fret lower. The power chord still acts as the magnetic poles that enclose the tones of both the C major and the C Myxolydian scale. C Myxolydian is usually thought of as being a 5 chord, having a 5 function that resolves to F. 5, 1. But in the overtone or harmonic series, the Myxolydian mode or scale more accurately represents the harmonics of the series than the major scale does. Major, dominant. If you really listen to the differences between the major chord and the dominant chord, you will hear that they sound almost exactly the same. That's because in the major chord, the flat 7 is a part of that chord, which does not sound audibly, but because it is contained in the harmonic series, we hear very little difference between the major chord and the dominant 7 chord. Thank you very much.